God for His blessing so we can gather here today in good health. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our presentation. But before we come to the presentation, Group 9. Let me introduce. My name is Ratu Alda, and my friend is Ilmi, ada Najwa dan Sania. I think that's enough for introduction session. Let's move on the next session. Today we are going to present about clinical nurse specialist. Clinical nurse specialist is a professional nurse who has expert knowledge and skill in a specific area of nursing practice. Background, two definition, three the main role of clinical nurse specialist atau CNS, four charge found in the workplace, yang kelima itu conclusion. Background terlebih dahulu ya teman-teman. Background, modern healthcare is interested, complex, querying advanced clinical expertise, and clinical specialist CNS plays a key role in bringing research and practice to ensure safe, efficient, and efficient-based care.
Definition clinic nurse specialist is the grade preferred advanced practice registered nurses who function a clinic expert as the specialist of nurse practice. They integrate advanced diagnosis and the treatment knowledge with the nursing leadership to improve patient outcome and the healthcare delivery.
Focus area the three spheres of influence. The CNS, the role is defined by three primary areas of effect. One, the patient severe, managing complex clinical cases, and providing direct expert care for high-risk patients. Two, the nursing severe, mentoring staff nurses, and training clinical competition and promoting evidence-based nursing practice. Three, the organization severe, developing hospital protocol, reducing costs and leading systemic quality improvement. The main role of clinical nurse specialist: one, direct clinical care; two, leader within the healthcare system; three, coaching and mentoring; four, research and evidence-based practice; five, ethical decision making; and last, six, quality improvement and patient safety.
Okay, now there are challenges found in the workplace. I will explain a little about challenges. Number one is increasing complexity of patient condition like chronic and multi-system. Okay, this means patients today often have multiple conditions, so nurses need more critical thinking and evidence skills to manage their care. Number two, nursing staff shortages. This lead to heavier workload, so making nurses more tired and increasing the risk of decreased care quality. Number 3, ineffective interpersonal communication. I think this more important because when communication is not clear, it can cause misunderstanding and increase the change of medical errors. Number 4, resistance to evidence-based practice or EBP implementation. Okay, some staff may find it difficult to follow new guidelines because I think they are always used to old practice. And number 5, role ambiguity with other healthcare professionals. This can create confusion about responsibilities and effective work in healthcare settings. And number 6, high administrative workload like documentation and reporting. Of course, too much administrative work reduce the time nurses can spend directly with patients. Number 7, lack of organization, support, and recognition. Without enough support, nurses may feel less motivated and undervalued in their work. And the last, high pressure work environment. This kind of environment can increase stress and lead to burnout over time. Next. And there are conclusion. Clinical nurse specialists or CNS play an essential role in modern healthcare by ensuring safe, effective, and evidence-based care. They contribute to improving patient outcomes through leadership and quality improvement. However, challenges such as workload, role ambiguity, and limited support remain. Strengthening support for CNS roles will enhance patient safety and overall healthcare quality. So, in conclusion, CNS has a really important role in modern healthcare. They make sure the care given to patient is safe and based on evidence. I think enough for me. Okay. Okay, now we will watch our group perform iClinica Nurse Specialist role play.
That's all for our presentation. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, we would be happy to answer them.
Ya boleh. Siapa dulu? Nesa, Nashifa, and Rida. Dari sini dulu. Nesa dulu, boleh.
Ya, apa Neneng? Neneng, boleh silakan ajukan pertanyaan.
Di bahasa.
Building on what you said about it, I have a question regarding the topic. Introducing you everyday best practice of the medical science for senior staff or physicians to prevent the way we always study our traditional methods. What specific leadership strategies should CNS use to overcome this cultural barriers that damaging professional relationships? Is that clear?
Building on what you said about CNS, I have a question regarding to the topic. Introducing new evidence best practice often makes resistance from senior staff or physicians who prefer the way we've always done it or traditional methods. What specific leadership strategy should CNS use to overcome this cultural barrier without damaging professional relationships? Thank you.
Coba dilanjut ke Nashifa ya.
Oke.
Okay guys, after what you guys explained, what's the main difference? So after what you explained, what's the main difference between a clinical nurse specialist and a regular staff nurse in the inpatient ruangan? Is it clear?
Clear, of course.
In a challenge on the workplace, point 3 is mentioned innovation from interpersonal communication. I have mentioned how can CNS address ineffective interpersonal communication.